Hello, welcome to our backyard. I am going to show you our latest addition that was added last summer. This is a Pondless waterfall. We live in Sacramento, and the Pondless waterfall was created and built by a company in Roseville, California called Complete Ponds. We chose them after going to a house and garden show, and they seem to be the most knowledgeable. Plus, their business is made up of supplying the equipment to home builders, do-it-yourself people who would like to build their own waterfall, or waterfall with pond, or koi pond, or like us, a waterfall with no pond. This is mid-March, and so we're in the dead of winter, so to speak, and our shrubbery is not all that great, but you'll notice right there it's starting to bloom again. I do have some still pictures of what it was like last summer, and I'll try and include those at the end of this video. Anyway, here is the headwaters of our water feature. It took Complete Ponds. There were 3 people, and it took them 3 days to construct this, and they'll pretty much do things to your specifications and within the perimeters of your yard and what can be accommodated and not. This is about 25 feet long, and as you see, there's the main waterfall. And then where Froggy is, there's the second tier, and then we kind of curve around. There's our yellow ducky. You gotta have a yellow ducky or a pink flamingo. And then it drops off again and curves around toward the fence, and then bends back around, goes under the log where there are 2 ceramic turtles, and then as we pass under the log, or as the water passes under the log, goes over here, and what we have is not a pond but a puddle. I wanted to have some standing water or flat water. So what we have is the puddle, and as you'll see when I turn the water flow on, it makes a nice little stream bed. There is a sump underneath that, and it houses about 150 gallons of water, I guess, and that's where the water goes when you turn it off. So unlike a pond, you don't have to run this 24/7. Just turn it on when you'd like to have the ambiance, and that's what we've done. There are 2 valves right here. One is for the flow control. It determines the intensity of the flowing water. The other one is the exit valve, so we can clean out the water, change it, and it just drains out underneath the fence over around here and out to the street. There is another valve, which is the supply valve. That's a ceramic tile, and that kind of explains what this corner of the yard is for. The supply valve has a float in it, and so it'll keep the water all filled up, and so we don't have to take care of anything manually. Unfortunately, it's about 4:45 in the afternoon, so the sun's low and it's starting to shade things. So let me turn the water on. Hang tight here, it'll take a minute. There we go. Let's wander up front here and see what happens. Already made second tier. Sorry about the blower. Some landscape guy or neighbors having their lawn cut and getting the weeds and the leaves and the other stuff blown up. And the water finds its way around those three big rocks. And now it's headed under the log. If you'd like to have more or less volume of water, you can just adjust the valve. This can be heard inside the house very well with the sliding doors open. So I'm adding this to my YouTube library of videos in case you'd like to have one of these and you live close to Sacramento. Give consideration to the company that put ours in. And if you live elsewhere in the United States or someplace in the world and would like to have a beautiful water feature of your own creation, your own design, then find a pool supply or pond supply business in your area and seek out ideas and estimates from them. Thanks for viewing. Have a great day.